Hi friends, welcome to Chef Pavan Boda channel. Today make lots of people requesting paneer butter masala. You know Chef Pavan Boda teach you which you can cook classical dishes just in few minutes. But remember the best way to cooking fresh ingredient with all those of masala spices. That's the way to real flavors. But I will teach you. Let's start good cooking. Gravy preparation: add pinch of cumin seeds and 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, cloves, onions, tomato and coriander mint leaves. Add 2 cups of cashew nut pieces. Add little bit of coriander leaves and ginger pieces. Do not add garlic pieces. Add little bit of chopped tomato pieces. Add small teaspoon of butter. Now get the mixture, all this ingredient and add to this mixture and mix it. Now get the pan, add 1 cup of oil and cumin seeds, onions, 2 green chili cut pieces. Now get the gravy with all this ingredient, add it. Add 2 cups of water, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, little bit of sugar, add 2 cups of Amul butter and cook it few minutes. After cook gravy few minutes, add fresh paneer pieces. In few minutes, gas low flame. Add some coriander leaves. The beautiful dish of paneer butter masala gravy ready now. Please like this video. Please subscribe my channel.